pothead question.
Yeah.
Do humans have ideas, or do ideas have us? So where do ideas come from? You have Milton Friedman sitting there after Rutgers trying to figure out what he can do about the Great Depression. Where, do you ever think about this? Like, I sometimes think that aliens are actually ideas. They're just kind of like travel through human brains and captivate us, and we get all real excited. With the monolith in 2001 Space Odyssey, a monolith lands and everybody gets excited, and somehow this idea just gets everybody to be on the same page, and it reverberates through the community, and then that results in an implementation of some action that results in us figuring out that idea was actually bad, and we learn new ideas. But it feels like the idea is running the show.
Yeah. I mean, I think in a lot of cases, I think it's true. Keynes has this famous quote, like, most men are slaves of some defunct economist,
That's funny.
So,
That's funny.
So I do think that it's really hard to have an original thought. We are social creatures. We encounter the same situations again and again. And so it's really hard. You're born into these traditions of thinking and being and knowing, and most people are never going to question them, and most people are never going to become aware of them. So again, that's some of the work of what I do as an intellectual historian, is like, let's become aware. Let's realize that you're carrying a map that's orienting you to the world in a certain way, right? And so I think you have to work really, really hard to have an original idea. And even then, it's not a completely original idea. It's a reworking and a reassembling of ideas others have had. So I definitely think it's possible to create autonomy in the realm of ideas and to be an autonomous consumer of ideas. But I think on balance, most people are not. And that's fine. They want to have experiences. They want to do other things with their life,
Well, Jennifer, thank you so much for this journey through ideas today. And thank you so much for your incredible work. It was really fun and fascinating to talk with you today. Thank you.
Thank you.